current mood after so much success and praise for the debut of Dharavi Bank?
I think after the great success of Dharavi Bank, I just feel cut. There's somebody talking. Somebody's talking.
Everyone silent.
He just spoke. See, I told you they're talking.
भाई बातें मत करना प्लीज वो रिकॉर्ड ऑडियो
वीडियो चालू है।
और
सब
silent
record
कर देना।
करो। 2 मिनट हाँ।
2 मिनट के लिए।
थैंक यू।
I think it's always a very very humbling experience, and I feel absolutely fantastic, elated that Dharavi Bank is such a big success, and this is just a beginning. My first debut in Dharavi Bank OTT platform, and let's wait and watch.
A career which has been seen as a supermodel and also Commonwealth gold medalist, Karate for India. How did you manage such a contrast and nail it both?
I think it's when every time somebody says that you can only have one career, and बहुत सारे माँ बाप अपने बच्चों को हमेशा कहते हैं कि ना एक चीज़ पर फोकस करो. मुझे लगता है अगर आप में कुछ कर गुजरने का जो जज्बा जिसे कहते हैं, इफ़ यू नो व्हाट यू वांट टू डू इन लाइफ, यू कैन डू लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क, टाइम मैनेजमेंट. आई थिंक एवरीथिंग इज़ पॉसिबल. कहीं ना कहीं जाकर मुझे लगता है मुझ में वो विश्वास भी था और पूरी तरह से हार्ड वर्क करने का एक जज्बा था, जहाँ पर मैंने सोचा कि कराटे हो या मॉडलिंग हो या एक्टिंग हो, मुझे सब कुछ करना था. और भगवान की दया भी थी और शायद माँ बाप का बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट और प्यार. एंड टुडे येस आई एम डूइंग कराटे. आई एम मॉडल दिस
Camera start.
या.
A career which has seen you as a supermodel and also a Commonwealth gold medalist in Karate for India. How did you manage such a contrast and nail it both?
I think it's beautiful when you visualize a life where you want to do contrasting things, whether it's career, whether it is talent. कहीं ना कहीं जाके माँ बाप हमेशा बच्चों को बोलते हैं कि बेटा एक कुछ करना बट फोकस करके करना. बट मुझ में बचपन से बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा इच्छा थी कि मुझे स्पोर्ट्स में भी जाना है, कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़ में भी जमकर भाग लेना है. तो मुझे लगता है वो इच्छा कहीं ना कहीं जाकर मैंने रियलिटी में अपने लाइफ में उसे अपना लिया. दैट्स वाई टुडे आई एम डूइंग कराटे, आई एम अ सुपर मॉडल, एंड ऑफ कोर्स राइट नाउ माई एक्टिंग करियर विच is blooming, and I am looking forward for a beautiful journey.
Sandhya Shetty, define in a few words. How can I define yourself?
I think Sandhya Shetty is absolutely what you see, you get. यहाँ पर कोई मिलावट नहीं है. जो आपको दिखता है वही सामने है. मुझे सिंप्लिसिटी में बहुत ज़्यादा विश्वास है. जो आप हो अंदर से और जो आपकी फाउंडेशन है, जहाँ पर से मैं आई हूँ, मेरे माँ बाप और जो मैंने अपनी लाइफ में सीखा है, वेदर इट इज़ स्पोर्ट्स, वेदर इट इज़ एजुकेशन, कैसे रहना है लोगों के बीच में और प्यार से, आई थिंक वो सभी कुछ मेरे पर्सनालिटी में दिखता है. और सिर्फ वन लाइन, व्हाट यू सी यू गेट.
You are very passionate about your campaign, No Fear. Tell us what drives you so strongly to work on this project.
I'm absolutely passionate about No Fear, my campaign, because I'm born a woman. और मुझे लगता है ये एक वरदान है जब आप औरत एक लड़की होकर आप जन्म होते हो. हमारे देश में, इंडिया में ये मान्यता है कि औरत देवी है, पर सही मायने में वो कब पूरा होता है जब आप एम्पावर होते हो. और मुझे बचपन से अभी तक इतना ज़्यादा मौका मिला है, वेदर इट्स माय पेरेंट्स, माय फ्रेंड्स, मेरे करियर में कराटे हो या मॉडलिंग हो या अभी एक्टिंग हो. मुझे लगता है ये जो मौका मुझे यूनिवर्स देती है, मुझे भी कहीं ना कहीं जाकर अपनी सोसाइटी को कुछ वापस देना है. और नो फियर ये वो कैंपेन है जहाँ पर मैं हमारी नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया बट ऑल्सो इंटरनेशनली आई वॉन्ट टू एम्पावर वुमेन विद सेल्फ डिफेंस, विद सेल्फ अवेयरनेस. और एक सिंपल सा मैसेज, अगर आप आज ज़िंदा हो तो ज़िंदगी का मायना क्या है. खुलकर जियो और खुशी से जियो.
Alavi Bank, a very successful and brilliant web series. We saw a debut of you and Sunil Shetty. How was the experience?
Oh, it was absolutely a fantastic experience to work with Sunil Shetty. And to be honest, Sunil Shetty's debut in OTT platform and my debut in OTT platform. And he is Anna of the nation. He is a fantastic personality. While on the set, जब भी अन्ना किसी से भी इंटरेक्ट करते हैं, आई थिंक वो बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रेंडली है और एब्सोल्युटली प्रोफेशनल है. मुझे लगता है बहुत कम समय में मुझे उनसे बहुत ज़्यादा सीखने मिला है. एंड वो जब अस्पताल के बिस्तर पर लेटे थे शर्टलेस, हे भगवान, अभी भी उनमें इतनी ज़्यादा फिटनेस है कि कमाल की इंस्पिरेशन है. एंड बिकॉज आई एम फ्रॉम फिटनेस एंड आई डू कराटे, आई थिंक आई फील वेरी वेरी प्राउड फ्रॉम वन शेट्टी टू अनदर शेट्टी. फिटनेस इज़ द मंत्र फॉर श्योर.
As an actor, what inspires you and what kind of films would you like to do in future?
As an actor, I think everything around me inspires me. कहते हैं कि छोटी से छोटी और बड़े से बड़े चीज़ों से मुझे नहीं, सभी को इंस्पिरेशन लेना चाहिए. और एग्जैक्टली वही मेरे साथ होता है कि मैं कभी ट्रैवल करती हूँ या किसी से नए लोगों से मिलती हूँ, तो मुझे लगता है छोटे बड़े बच्चों से या बूढ़ों से आई टेक इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम एवरीथिंग. एंड आई एम अ supremely creative person, and I thank God that He's given this in me. And creativity is something that I look forward. So every film in future that I choose, and I hope that I get films that really not only realistic, but it is also very entertaining. Because लोग सिनेमा क्यों देखने आते हैं? Of course एक रियलिटी का बेस तो होता ही है, बट अपने जो दिन भर के थकान को मिटाने के लिए वो एंटरटेन होने आते हैं. तो एक बैलेंस जो है रियलिटी और एंटरटेनमेंट का, आई थिंक मुझे वही सिनेमा करना है फ्यूचर में जाकर.
Fashion has always been an integral part of your career, and what is your fashion mantra?
So the journey from fashion, model and now an actor, I think it is absolutely exciting because for me fashion is absolutely personal. My style, which is comfortable, confident, colors. I don't think I want to really follow a fad, but whatever makes me feel good is my fashion mantra.
What is Sandhya Shetty passionate about?
Oh, Sandhya Shetty is passionate about everything. I'm like this bubble who wants to jump around and experience everything. But if I could pinpoint and say truly what I'm passionate about, music. Music is my heartbeat. I love music and all kind of music. And traveling, yes, of course. I love to travel. I want to explore India completely. My last trip was after my shoot in Kochi. I just traveled to Kodai. And I think India is really beautiful. We need to explore and increase a lot of tourism in our country, and that is also something with No Fear I want to bring forth, not only in India but internationally, tell people that India is a place where you can travel with no fear.
Such crazy shoot and travel schedules, how do you manage your fitness in that?
अगर आपके दिमाग में ये क्लियर हो कि आपको फिट रहना है और आपको अच्छा दिखना है, तो आई थिंक कुछ आधा घंटा या 15 मिनट भी अगर आप दिन की निकाल लो आपके व्यस्त स्केड्यूल से, वेदर इट इज़ शूटिंग, वेदर इट इज़ ट्रैवलिंग, ये बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी है और 100% हो सकता है. 45 डेज़ के स्केड्यूल से मैं अभी वापस आई हूँ, जो सरप्राइज़ है. मैं एक फ़िल्म अभी कर आई हूँ और मुझे लगता है अगर आपके विश्वास से ये पॉसिबल है कि आप थोड़ा समय निकाल कर वर्कआउट कर लो, तो बिल्कुल पॉसिबल है और मैंने एग्जैक्टली वो किया है. 45 डेज़ में जब भी मुझे थोड़ा मौका मिलता था, आई वुड गो एंड हिट द जिम.
Travel is one of your passions. So what was the last destination you traveled and what's your future plan for travel?
As I said, I love traveling. My last destination was Kodaikanal, and it was beautiful, beautiful. The mountains, the people, the food. I think it is so amazing that India is so beautiful, and we sometimes just explore internationally, but within our country we have such amazing destination, and I really want to explore more of India.
India's maximum youth population, what do you wish to advise them?
Oh my God. You know what? We as Indians today are blessed because our country has maximum youth population and this is an asset. And I only want to, share this beautiful, I would not say advice, but as a friend, I would like to tell the youth that please explore your life. Go out there and make choices. आप जब हिम्मत करके बाहर जाओगे कुछ करोगे तभी आपकी ज़िंदगी खुलेगी. Go travel, take new talent, explore your life, and this asset that you've got of youth, you need to go out there and just explore and make choices and change your life.
You had multiple careers and you have been successful in all of it. What drives you so fiercely every time you grab yourself and go out with the radio in hand as well?
Oh my God, don't you think that everyday life needs to have a new chapter? At least I feel that every day when I get up, I am praying to the universe and I'm telling myself that Sandhya Shetty, today it's a new day, grab yourself and go out there and do something new. And I think that's been 100% true to my life. That's the reason, whether it is NCC Army Wing when I started very early when I was in college, then to Miss India and then to karate, acting, as a travel host with Discovery Channel. I have done it all, and trust me, all the life that is remaining and ahead of me, I'm just going to keep exploring, and there is never a stop till you know when.
A girls trip you want to explore as well. Wish to explore a girls trip. What is a girls trip you wish to explore?
Oh, wow. You know what? It is so funny that I've never ever done a girls' trip because I'm very, very comfortable with boys, and I think, gender sensitivity and gender parity is one thing that is so important in our country to be more aware. A girl, a boy, I think we are not very comfortable in our own skin, and that's the reason we always tend to move towards a girl trip, a boy trip. For me, it's always been boys and girls, no problem. I just go traveling with people who are like-minded. But yes, I would like to someday explore a girl trip, and I think it should be a wild place because we all think girls are very timid, but I don't think so. I think girls are very bold, and now they are out there. So I think something exotic, Bali. Yeah, I think Bali could be the place.
What is one thing you want to change or bring in awareness for the women of India?
Oh, wow. Now, awareness and change is something that I would definitely like to bring in our country and even internationally, and better the position of women, where she is. Women are beautiful. So many of them are so talented and so educated. But I think empowering by giving them a voice. I think a lot of women who want to do more don't have a voice. They don't communicate, whether it's their family, whether in media or in their career. Once she is with family, I think they just feel that it's end of life. And that happens also with a lot of educated women in our country. And apart from that, there is a lot of harassment and violence that happens to women. I think I definitely want to change that with no fear. I want to tell women out there, please go and help yourself. Go learn a martial art, get fit, do a self-defense, be aware of yourself. When you're beautiful within and out, and when you're so talented, what stops you? Nobody can stop you if you want to do. And that's something I want to bring in as an awareness for women, not only in India but internationally.
We heard that you love traveling to Goa. Any future plans to be there, and what do you like to when you are there?
Oh my God! I love Goa, of course. I think that's one destination I have loved since a very, very, very young age. And I really like Goa because I think people out there are so beautiful. I wish, whole of India can be so open-minded because you can just go there, have fun, the beaches, the people, the food, everything is so, so wonderful. My next trip is soon. I start my New Year's first week with Goa. I know you guys are jealous, but trust me, Goa for me is not just holiday, but it's also for work. And this time I'm going for a festival. So a lot of music festival happens, a lot of yoga camps happen, and I am going for one such festival there, which also is combined with a shoot. So it is work and pleasure both.
You have done theatre and you have worked in Hindi, Bengali, and now Malayalam film. How difficult is an actor to shift and work on languages and different sensibilities?
Oh wow, I think a medium of acting is beautiful for an actor because I can be anything. I can be a doctor, I can be a cop, I can be a lawyer. And I think that really takes a lot of conviction, what you are, and to believe that this is me to the audience takes a lot of passion and dedication. And I think theatre as a base gives you that grounding. And I'm really blessed that in my very, very early years of understanding acting, I could touch upon theatre and work and do my grounding there. Apart from that, I really don't think language is a barrier. When I did a Bengali film, then a Hindi, and then right now a Malayalam film, also a Tamil. And I think if you're an actor and you're passionate about acting, trust me, it's here and it's here. Language just comes to you. That's a little hard work though, but why not? I mean, where there is no hard work, everywhere. When you do the right hard work, the luck really favors you, and I totally believe in that.
You have had opportunity to work with very successful directors, and in future, is there any favorite director or actor you wish to work with?
Oh yes, I was very, very blessed in my initial careers to work with national award-winning directors like Priyadarshan Sir, Bapaditya Bandhopadhyay, and many other directors. And in future also, I'm a hardcore fan of director Priyadarshan Sir. So if I could say, I just shot with him a Malayalam film, which is my first debut in Malayalam cinema, and he is a fantastic director. Another director I would definitely mention is Sanjay Leela Bhansali. He's been one of my favorite directors because I love the way he shows cinema on celluloid. I think he makes a dream world come true, and all his actors have such a special bond and connection with him. And I'm totally a director's actor, and I think he is also an actor's director. So that's another director I would definitely like to act with. There are many in the list actually. I mean, I would, Anurag Kashyap, I mean, there are so many of them. And of course, female directors. I would definitely want to do a lot of films with the new age female directors. I believe that being born a woman, I connect a lot with woman talent. So a director who's a woman, I think she will bring out a great actor in me.
What is your favorite food and any particular place you would like to visit?
You know what? I am such a typical South Indian because being born a South Indian, I still love South food. I love the Mangalorean dishes like neer dosa, chutney, then of course kori roti. If not South Indian, then I think I would like Thai food. I also don't mind trying food. I'm not a very great, fan of eating a lot, but I like to explore. So yes, I would like to try a little bit of, Balinese food. I would like to try Punjabi. Yeah, kind of, sometimes. But yeah, I think I would stick to South Indian. I love South Indian food.
You have been very bold with your choice of career. Luke just approached your wife. Tell us a bit about that.
What is life if you're not bold? And I think my bold attitude comes with the fact that I'm honest. And when you're honest, you're not scared, or you don't fear life, or you don't fear the choices that you make. And I have been bold, whether it's my career, taking multiple careers, how I am talking, my opinions, what I wear, my choices of friends, how I'm conducting my life. And that comes from an attitude of gratitude also. I'm extremely, extremely humble, and I'm very spiritual also. So I think being bold is not slandering anything, but in fact it's the other way around. You can be bold because you are honest, and you speak your truth, and that's beautiful.
Rapid fires. Sari or lawn?
I love sari, so it is always hands down sari.
Man clean shaved or with stubble?
Oh my god, of course with stubble. I love men with stubble. So all the men out there, if you're clean shaven, please get some stubble on.
chocolate or ice cream?
I love ice cream.
Cocktails or mocktails?
A little bit of intoxication in life makes you happy. So, of course, cocktail.
Red or white? What's your color? Red or white?
I was a fan of red. Now I've gone calm. It's white.
Like abs or great humor in men?
That's a tough one. If a man comes with the abs with great humor, it's fantastic. But if not, humor.
Priyanka or Deepika?
Oh my god, that's a difficult choice. Priyanka, Deepika, I love both. Oh my god, I'm behaving like a man. Priyanka, Deepika, Priyanka, Deepika. Can I choose both? No, no. I think Priyanka. Oh, by the way, she was my Miss India mate. So yeah, Priyanka.
Ranveer Singh or Ranbir Kapoor?
Oh my god! Ranveer Singh, Ranbir Kapoor. You know what I love? Ranveer Singh's spunk and that energy, and Ranbir Kapoor, I love the tehrav in his eyes. When I talk about men, this is what happens. देखो हाँ वापस से पूछना रणबीर that's actually a tough choice, huh? Oh, again.
Ranveer Singh or Ranbir Kapoor?
Oh my god. Again. Ranveer Singh or Ranbir Kapoor? I love Ranveer Singh's energy. You know, I think he's absolutely infectious. But whoa, they don't want me to talk about Ranveer Singh. नहीं पकड़ के नहीं आप
आकाश 3 मिनट तो पीछे
खड़ा
1 मिनट
Oh yeah, I'll tell you what's wrong he's doing. No, I'll tell you what you're doing. ये जो है ना, ये जो हाँ, वो उसके अंदर जाना चाहिए. Yeah.
Ranveer Singh or Ranbir Kapoor?
Ranveer Singh or Ranbir Kapoor? Oh my God! Yet again, a difficult choice. Ranveer Singh is absolutely a bundle of energy and very infectious. And Ranbir Kapoor, I love the fact that he's absolutely calm and that beautiful eyes. I think I would take Ranveer Singh for the time being.
Sanjay Leela Bhansali or Rohit Shetty?
Oh no, it's Rohit Shetty brother. Oh, Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Sanjay Leela Bhansali. I'm taking him.
Acting or karate?
Acting or karate now. Karate I've done for 22 years. So, it is clearly acting.
Anything you want to talk to your fans? Any message you want to do?
Okay, I just want to tell all you lovely people only one thing is that I'm here to absolutely make sure that I am giving you good cinema, lot of entertainment and lot of reality in a very beautiful way. I want your love and I want my beautiful audience to give me all the support, all the love and just keep giving your blessings. Thank you so much and I'm gonna make sure that 2023 is going to be one fabulous, beautiful year.
Start.
Hi, I'm Sandhya Shetty and I wish you all a very happy new year. May 2023 bring you lots of love, peace, good health and prosperity. Love to all. Okay.